Hi, my name is Harshit and I'll be your mock examiner for the day. So, could you please tell me your full name
My name is Sylvia Chinwe.
and how shall I address you?
Call me Chinwe.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so do you work or are you a student?
Currently, I'm an employee of a private hospital located in Port Harcourt, the southern part of Nigeria, where I practice as a registered nurse wife. I've been in this establishment for the past 5 years, and my job description entails educating pregnant women on how to take care of themselves during pregnancy. I try as much as possible to engage them in some exercises when they come for the antenatal checkup, like dancing and walking, bricks walking, which also helps them to maintain their healthy state.
Mm-hmm, that's great. All right, do you like your job?
Absolutely, yes. I cherish what I do so much because it gives me opportunity to relate to people from different tribes. In addition to that, I have opportunity to communicate with people, try to sort out their problem by giving them advice on how to eat a healthy diet, which also tries to prevent them frequenting the hospital all the time.
Mm-hmm, that's great. All right. Now, can you tell me where you are from?
I came from Imo State local government, the eastern part of Nigeria, and we have about 100,000 populations there. In my nation, we are known for production of agricultural products like cassava, cassava flakes, yam, oil, and all these things we export it outside of the country in order to improve the economy of the country.
Okay, can you tell me a bit more about your hometown?
Absolutely, yes. In my countryside, there are some infrastructural structures there which helped to employ youths. The recently graduated youths who doesn't have job are working there in order to help them not to be lazy about the city. More so, in this my locality, there are good hospitals, there are good schools for children that reside there, so that they will acquire good education and be a good citizen to the country.
Mm-hmm. What is your hometown known for?
They are known for production of good agricultural products like cassava, cassava flakes, red oil, groundnut oil, coconut, and all these things. They export it outside the country, which helps to bring in more funds to the state.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good, good, good. That's great. All right, now let's go back to your work. So what do you like to do after your work?
After my working schedule, once I'm back from my job, I go straight to the kitchen to ensure there are food in the house for my children before I'll go out with my friends to ease up the stress of the day.
Mm-hmm, that's great. All right. Do you get enough time to spend for yourself or your things after your work?
Not really, because of the kind of friends and family I have. Before I step out of the house, I have to make sure that I prepare food for my husband and my children, then map out for my friends. Finally, at the end of the day, I don't have enough time to rest. I barely sleep for 8 hours.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's amazing. Now let's talk about the internet. Do you use the internet?
Sorry?
Let's talk about the internet. So do you use the internet, World Wide Web?
Absolutely, yes. I make use of this to communicate with my friends, especially those that reside outside of the country. It's a good means of communication. Like I talk to them video call, face-to-face conversation with that network, and it has been of great help to me because most times I try to show them things I would love them to purchase for me. With this, they can easily look at the things I wanted to buy for me and go ahead and purchase the same thing I requested for.
Mm-hmm. Do you remember the first time when you used the internet?
If my memory serves me right, when I was growing up, I was introduced to a particular web by my mother. When I was giving homework, my mom now told me that the best way for me to sort out my homework is to make use of the internet. That there are things for me to get from there so that it's quite easy for me to achieve the success at the end of the day, which I did.
Okay, that's amazing. Now I would like to move on to part two of this speaking test. For this part, I'll be giving you a cue card and you are supposed to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. I hope the
Okay.
instructions are clear. So I'm gonna give you a cue card. Okay.
Okay.
So I hope you can see my screen. This is your cue card. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste. Describe a time when you saw a lot of plastic waste. You can find the same question if you check the channel. Okay. So you can prepare for this cue card for a minute. After that, you'll need to speak. You can make some notes if you wish. Your time starts now. All right, can you start speaking now? Don't worry if I stop in between. I'll let you know when to stop. Okay.
These days, I've been seeing a lot of rubber waste products in the streets, littered along the location where I reside. But the one that stood out among all these is the one I saw in a party last week, to be precise, last week Friday, when I went to a friend's party. On getting to the location, I noticed there were lots of plastic waste products littered around. What I did immediately was to call the organizers of the event to inform them that this plastic waste that I met is for children, because the youngsters might pick it up and start making use of it. Either they pour water inside to use and drink, or they pour sand to use and breathe, which might be detrimental to their health. So what they demanded was to call the waste disposal people to come and pack it all around to ensure there is none remaining. He even told me that he was happy the way I called him to tell him about this particular waste to pick, so that it won't be a health hazard to children.
Mm-hmm.
Saw it because I know the harmful effects of plastic products to children when they are being burnt or when they are being disposed inappropriately. So the man finally called the waste disposal people to do away with waste products. I felt like a dog with two tails, because at least I was opportune to educate somebody on the need for environmental sanitation, environmental cleanliness. The man applauded me for doing such and promised me the next time they are doing a party to make sure that he will bring in a waste product, so that anything that is not being used or the waste that's being used will be neatly packed rather than littering it around the environment. So I encourage him to try and educate the need for
Mm.
them to dispose
Okay,
this
thank
waste
you so much.
appropriately.
Okay, thank you, thanks, sir. Like, how do you dispose plastic waste in your home?
There are myriads of ways this is being done in my nation. There is a particular waste product labeled green, where these plastic are being put in so that it can be recycled at the end of the day. For instance, last week when I went for my friend's child dedication, I saw the husband keeping a green plastic bowl, so that any plastic bottle people drink water from at the end of the day, it there and take it out for recycling.
Mm-hmm, that's amazing. All right. So, what kind of plastic waste can often be seen in your country?
My nation, to be precise, Nigeria, there are some plastic waste that can be seen. For instance, like plastic bottles, water cans, all these things can be seen in my nation. Some children, for instance, some children who goes to school with plastic bottle or a water can, if they are not being careful with it and if they misplace it inappropriately in the environment, it can turn into a waste because the teachers there will definitely return it to a waste product so that it will prevent one from being injured
How
or
can we
also being a
use
source of.
plastic?
Sorry.
How can we use less plastic?
This is a hard nut to crack, but I'll give it my best shot. In my nation, I think we can make use of this thing less by trying to use a glass to bottle waters, to put in waters, which might be a source of reducing the way recycling is being done when plastic product is being used. Also, one can decide not to purchase plastic bottle which contains a water and make use of the sachet one, which will also help rather than causing health, rather
Hmm.
than causing so many troubles.
Okay. So is there something the media can do to help us reduce plastic consumption?
Certainly, yes. The media has lots of work to do in order to reduce this. Firstly, we're trying to relate to people through televising the health hazard this plastic can cause. Secondly, they can post commercials or print it out in paper and post it in billboards, which will help people to have the knowledge of the hazard this plastic can cause to them if they are being misused or not being cared for appropriately.
Hmm. Okay. Do you think making plastic producer companies pay will help to solve this problem?
Please, can you rephrase your question?
Yes. Do you think making plastic producing companies or pay higher tax will help to solve this problem?
I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
Producers of this plastic company may not actually pay a higher money in order to produce these products because when people start when people stop making use of this particular product, the company will definitely lose some funds by making them to look for an alternative to help them to serve people better.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you think there is anything else the government can do in order to reduce the use of plastics?
Absolutely, yes. The officials have lots of things to do. Firstly,
Mm.
by laying a lay down rules for anybody that might not obey the rules of appropriately disposing of plastic material or purchasing it in a particular environment. Secondly, the government can bring out fine for people who might disobey the rule of the country concerning how to organize the disposal of waste very well. More
Okay.
so, they
Do
can
you think it is possible to completely eliminate the use of plastic?
no, I don't think so because some people from higher socioeconomic status love making use of this plastic product. They can't do drinking the water that is in the plastic product. So when it's being made away with, they will feel bad to the extent that they might look for another alternative of drinking water, getting anything that is in that plastic.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you think about the future? Do you think there will be more or less plastic?
Near years to come, due to the advent of technology, plastic might be changed to another product which can help to reduce health hazard to people. Also, it can also be a product that people can purchase, not only the people that stays in the people from the higher economic status, not only then they can purchase it, it can be made available to people from any, no matter the social economic status the person comes from, so that they will not complain of not purchasing it because it might cost an arm and a leg for people who can do that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's an amazing answer. So thank you so much, Invi. Your test is over.
Thank you.
Okay, so how was it?
Ow.
Mhm.
I don't know that.
Uh-huh. Okay, so not every examiner can be polite. Okay, sometimes they will ask you questions in between your answers. Okay, whenever you are answering, they might interrupt you and ask you questions. They can be rude, so expect that. All right. sometimes I do give some time for you to speak. Not every examiner can be the same. Okay, they won't be just like me. Some can be angry, some can be different, some can be extra polite also. So expect the worst and the best. All right, overall your speaking was fine. Hmm, but at times, okay, in some parts I felt like you could have reduced your pace, your speed of speech, okay, especially in the last question. Over there, I
Okay,
felt like
so
you were
that's really
faster than the other parts, okay, other places when you were answering. Otherwise, your answers had good detail, good language. Overall, it was a good answer, okay. So, all the best for tomorrow's exam, and you can expect a good score. Agree. Okay.
thank you.
And you can find this recording once this session is over on YouTube. Cool. All right. So, guys, if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down what you felt about Chinwe speaking. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.